We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. We see another sharp move for Chainlink, and this is what we get. And where the price is exactly as what we have been looking for 24. The price tag, and we see is going to break. All right, that's why I mentioned we are looking to see the breakout of 24. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for, and if you refer to my last analysis, since we had this correction. We mentioned the first things we're looking for is 24, 30, 36. Then from there, we are looking for all-time high. That's why I mentioned we're looking for buy. This is what we get. And the price tag, 24. We are not looking for the reversal. We're looking for continuation. The only thing is we have to see how sharp the price can break 24, whether we see the correction or continuation. At this point, we cannot confirm. We have to wait. And right now, the price is above 24. And since the price is above, and if I like any opportunity for buy, I will be interested. And then we know what's the next targets we can look for. And after the breakout of the all-time high, with the breakout of the all-time high, shortly we can look for 69. And after the breakout of the 69, we can look for 88. For me, I'm looking to see the breakout of the 88, and the 69 is not the targets I'm looking for. It's a short term after the break. And as long as the price is break the all-time high in the short term, we can look for 69 because the all-time high is somewhere around 54. Okay, but after the breakout of the 69, maybe we see a correction before the price can tag 88, a deep correction, daily correction. We are not talking about the weekly or monthly. And just to make it very simple, I'm looking for 88 and above. And at this point, the price broke the 24. Now we want to see how we can look for trade. Any opportunity as a flag, I'm interested. It doesn't mean when I say any flag above the 424, it doesn't mean simply we can't take the trade. We have to look for trade setup, and if it doesn't move, we should know how to manage it. What I want to say is that if I get any opportunity, I will take it the trade. Okay. And the only thing is, based on weekly chart, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, we see is losing the momentum, divergence. At this point, we don't need to care about that. If we get the correction, daily correction, yes. But at this point, we just let it go because if there is a continuation, then these things will disappear. And this means at this point, we don't need to really care. And if we move the daily chart, we see the breakout. Now I want to see what's the next, okay? And whoever get the trade for buy from within this range, right now they should book some profit, okay? At least move their stop loss to somewhere around 19 or 18 below this, okay? It depends on them and depends on what they are looking for. And if we move to forward chart, we don't see anything to discuss. The only thing is a sharp move, no trade setup. The trade setup at this point will be based on lower time frames, 15 minute, even 1 hour chart. I don't see any trade setup. Anyway, as what we have been looking for, we see the breakout of the 24. Now we have to wait. We see based on 1 hour chart what we will get here. Then if we get the flag, then we try to look for trade setup either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes. But at this point, we cannot simply take the trade. We have to wait and see what's the next because there is a possibility the price drop below 24, okay, or even we can look for continuation. That's why at this point the only things we got is a sharp move based on daily, forward, and 1 hour chart. That means now what I want to say is that in my analysis we are trying to look for buy before we see the movement, a sharp movement similar to what I explained based on XRP. We prefer to buy at the correction. When it start to move, we sit and watch. When it's moving at like this, buying, we can make a profit. It doesn't mean we cannot look for the trade and we cannot look for a profit, but it can be quite risky and stressful. We don't want that. All right. Anyway, that's why at this point, when I say I don't see any trade setup at this point, it doesn't mean technically we cannot look for trade. Okay, because we can if we move to lower time frame, maybe we can look for trade. All right, see what we get here. There was opportunity to look for buy from here. Maybe we see the next flag, we take the trade, but this is for the scalping. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.